Are you tired of missing important emails because they're buried under promotions? Learn how to disable the Promotions tab in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings to turn off the Promotions tab. Just follow these simple steps. Start by heading over to your Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, select See All Settings to open the full Settings panel. Once you're in Settings, click on the Inbox tab at the top. Scroll down to the Category section. Uncheck the box next to Promotions to disable that category. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. And that's it. Promotional emails will no longer appear in a separate tab. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.